I've decided to make and test a bunch of single oil soaps. I want to evaluate what each oil does on its own. I'm thinking this will be a practical guide for when it comes to formulating blends, when I can see what qualities each individual oil brings to the party. It's something I've been interested in doing for a while, and I'm not expecting to see vast differences between most of them, but there's only one way to find out for sure, and that's to do it. To keep things consistent for each test, I'm going to use 300 grams of oils. The super fat will be the standard 5% and water will be at 20%. The only difference is that I'm going to add a bit of colour to each one so I can keep track of which is which. I'll cut a few bars of each and test them at different time intervals, starting with when they're fresh out of the mould. I'm Rox. Let's crack on. Today I'm making 100% hemp seed oil soap. Here's the Soapcalc stats. It boasts loads of linoleic acid and is notably high in linolenic acid. And if we look at what it says about conditioning qualities, it's right up there at a whopping 90. Speeding through the prep as usual, this emulsified faster than I thought it might, which is something to bear in mind, but nothing else to report. I'll just get it into the mould and cut to the chopping and testing. So I'm cutting this at about 36 hours, which is how long it took to set to a point where I could unmould and cut it. I'm loving the texture though. It's still fairly soft, but it has a lovely satin sheen that you probably can't see on camera. It reminds me of silken tofu, if you've ever had that. Let's test. I'm not getting many bubbles. I mean, they are there, but not impressive. Not much going on creaminess wise either, probably because of it being high in super conditioning fatty acids. Leaves my hands feeling a bit slimy too. Not a winner as a solo oil for me, but I'll see what it's like as it cures. Rightio, that's the 100% hemp seed oil soap. Thanks for watching. See you later. Ta-ta!